John Vin, an analyst at research company KeyBank Capital Markets, found out that despite the announcement of the next generation of Apple smartphones, Americans prefer to buy last year's iPhone 7 model rather than the fresh iPhone 8. The company from Cupertino did not officially announce actual sales figures by breakdown on models, but the analyst insists that Apple is currently selling more iPhone 7 smartphones than iPhone 8. In fact, to explain this situation is quite simple. The update of the basic model turned out to be evolutionary, and those users who do not need a few additional percentages of A11 Bionic processor performance, wireless charging and other minor G8 improvements will not be updated this year. They will either leave their current iPhone 7, or replace even older models with A7, which is $150 cheaper than the current version. The cheapest iPhone 7 32GB costs $549, and the cheapest iPhone 8 64GB, $699. The second, but no less important, nuance is the pent-up demand for the much more interesting iPhone X. As you know, pre-order for this model will begin on October 27th, and sales will start only on November 3rd. So if the user wants to get a truly new device from Apple, he will prefer to wait another couple of weeks. Experts have already promised problems with the availability of a sufficient number of copies. According to DG Times, in the first batch of Foxconn only 46,500 smartphones were shipped, so the situation does not look straightforward. If the new iPhone X is not enough for everyone, then sales of the iPhone 8 may well crawl up.